Hey everybody, Brady Gerke with Cruise Auctions, and we are getting ready for the 56th annual Auburn Auction and Show right here in Auburn, Indiana. And we are going to have a fantastic offering of European sports cars from Jaguars, Porsches, Alphas, and Mercedes-Benz, and much more. One of those fantastic offerings is this 1971 Jaguar E-Type Coupes that will be offered without reserve, and is arguably one of the finest E-Type coupes thanks to its 10-year completely documented restoration. Everything from the mechanicals to the bodywork to even the smallest minute details were addressed during its restoration, and all of which has been thoroughly documented within 8 binders, from restoration receipts, photos, notes, correspondence with manufacturers and parts manufacturers, talks with previous owners. Just a fantastic and over-the-top restored E-Type coupes in wonderful eye-catching colors. It has been limitedly shown since it was completed, receiving its AACA Senior Award, so it is eligible for a plethora of prestigious concours and driving tours that you will certainly enjoy with this E-Type. So be sure to check us out at cruiseauctions.com and see all the other fantastic European sports cars that we will be selling, many of which will be without reserve, including this example. Be sure to get registered to bid, whether it's here in person, online, or by the phone, and reach out to us if you have any questions, and we will see you very soon right here in Auburn, Indiana for the annual Auburn Auction and Show.